Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market at Sandhills Global. The newest report covering August data is now available. Today, we will review the latest market report for U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels of used medium-duty construction equipment showed inventory level decreases of 0.24% month-over-month and 11.61% year-over-year in August, and are trending downward. Used mini excavator inventory levels fell the most month-over-month and year-over-year. Asking values showed minimal changes in August, down 0.54% month-over-month and 0.15% year-over-year, and are trending upward. Sandhills observed the largest asking price declines in used mini excavators month-over-month and used track skid steers year-over-year. Auction values rose 0.5% month-over-month and 3.12% year-over-year in August and are trending upward. Used loader backhoes led other categories in auction value increases month-over-month and year-over-year. In conclusion, the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market is experiencing a decline in inventory levels, while asking and auction values are trending upward. If you'd like to access the full reports for skid steers or loader backhoes, go to machinerytrader.com and click on Get Market Reports at the top of the page. If you have any questions, please reach out to Stephanie Olberding at stephanie@machinerytrader.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the U.S. used medium-duty construction equipment market.